Until now, we have been creating web pages and styling them to the aspect ratio of smartphones. Visinode elements can be added to these pages as we go, and so the page grows indefinitely. This is adequate for most intents and purposes. However, a website is a collection of web pages organized for desktops, laptops, and other devices, and have served us well from the dawn of browsers. But both the web creation and publishing processes are complicated. After the web is created, the first step to publishing the site is to find it a name. Given that the chosen name is websites, the next step is to find if anyone has reserved this name. If websites is available, it may be purchased as websites.com, websites.net, and etc. The third step is to secure a hosting service and set the name servers. It may take a while before the new domain becomes available on the internet, as for example, www.websites.com. Visinode makes this process simple. From the VisiShare control panel, click the New Topic button, and enter, for example, websites between the brackets. This creates an empty site. Compose your web page using VisiFront and publish the page when ready. The page becomes available almost instantly on the internet under https://visinode.net/website/. In the following, Visinode will be used to create a website. A website is a collection of web pages, usually with a single entry page, from which we connect to other pages both inside and outside the hosting machine. Select the Open option near the top left corner of VisiShare to switch between projects and topics. We will proceed by recycling our previous work into our new website, and with time expand the site, piece by piece. Observe how Visinodes are collected from other topics and used for the new project. The Visinode that contains the background picture is poached from the stack. Of course, a template may be created on the stack and used to regulate the style of the site. More about this later. The Ottoman Empire had been knocking down European doors for centuries. They had vassal states stretching all the way up to the Russian border. With tensions at a breaking point, an uprising in Bulgaria triggered the Russo-Turkish War. Happier with Ivan than Abdul, Western Europe did not object when Ivan pushed Abdul over the Strandia mountain range. Bulgaria, an Eastern Orthodox nation in the origin of the Russian Cyrillic alphabet, gained de facto independence in 1878 with the help of Ivan. On the crossroads between empires and civilizations, Bulgaria has seen history like few other nations, all the way back to the Neanderthals and modern man, and beyond. Over clashes of civilizations, and known as people with no rights, Bulgarians have seen more than most, including brutes such as the last Viking Harald Hardrada, the Varangian dubbed the Bulgar Burner, and Scorched Earth Vlad the Impaler, Dracula. Documented history is mostly about wars, glory, heroes, and written for popular consumption, and so is the Ballad of Ivan and Abdul. We will attempt to create an interactive web to depict history while we learn to use Visinode. Webs are mostly about links and hyperlinks. VisiFront allows words, sentences, and Visinodes to be referenced to other pages or documents. In this demo, frames are created inside a panel and cloned to the right. The arrow keys are used to tweak the new frames visually, grid by grid. Once filled, all the Visinodes within the panel can be fitted to our presentation using 1 or 2 mouse clicks. This page will become our entry page as the web becomes available on the internet, as https://visinode.net/websites/. We will create a simple and temporary page for our history tour. This page will develop gradually. Right-click on the Visinode buttons, and from the Enhance Frame menu, select Link Frame. This brings up the link box. We did drag and drop external web addresses into the box from the browser earlier, but here, the buttons will refer to the internal web pages on our stack. In the control panel of a page on the stack, click the green label to tie the page to either a Visinode button or highlighted text. Previously we published individual pages, this time we need to publish a web. From the Visifront control panel, tick the web box, and then select Publish. The page from which the web is published becomes the entry page to the web. For easy access from other devices, and to save the user from typing the whole web address, a QR code can be published with the page.